So this is my Creda Compact 3 tumble dryer. The full model number is 37275. It's a 3 kilo or 6.5 pound capacity, whichever you prefer to work with. And I said it's compact, so it is 48.5 centimeters wide by 66 tall and 42.5 centimeters deep. So it is very small. It's smaller than the Hotpoint ones and smaller than the White Knight tumble dryers that came later. The dryer is very simple. You've got a 90-minute clockwork timer and a high heat, low heat switch on the front. The air is pushed through the drum and out the front with a filter on the loading door. This one did come with the venting kit, which I haven't seen before. I think it's the original. You've got this dish which sits in at the bottom and a little twisting catch to lock it in. Doesn't seal completely around, and that's attached. That's got a hose attached to it, and on the end of that hose is a mouth with a little catch on it as well, so you can hang out the window or hang up the dryer when you're done. Anyway, we won't be using that today. So as I said, the door has got the filter on. You've got this pre-filter, it's just the filter guard really. So that's got a seal on it, and that will seal against the drum like so. Then you've got your mesh filter where the fluff builds up, and then the outer metal grid of the door where the air leaves the tumble dryer. So I'll pop some washing in now. Not sure how much this I'm going to get in. There you go, we can try. So on the timer dial, you've got a black dot and a red dot. They correspond to the same times, the red and the black. Presumably so, if it's stacked or up high, you can see what the time is looking at it from the side, if you can't see it dead on from the top, which is quite a useful feature. This timer should tick, but I think the timer's gone. Not really had a chance to test it out properly. So we just put it on and I'll watch it for a bit. And the heat selection switch is here. You've got H2 and H1 for low. So I figured if I took the mesh filter out, you'd be able to see roughly what's going on inside. But this is a unidirectional dryer, there's not a lot more it's going to do than that really. So it's not going to do any more than that, so I'll wrap the video up there. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Until then, goodbye.